Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this OnePlus. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Then click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it. After that, tap on this plus icon to create new alarm. When you're ready, set up an hour. Then click on Ring Once or Custom. If you wish to set up custom, you need to pick days of the week. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. Now tap on Alarm Name section. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on Ringtone and Vibration. Over here, select Allow in the pop-up, tap on Allow in Statement of Use, and then select the best option for you. You can click on Weather Adaptive and go back. Select Spotify, log in to your account and use Spotify Music. Click on this device to pick music from your smartphone, or just set up one of those system ringtones, like OnePlus Tune. Whatever you do, when you're ready, tap on the back button. If you wish to change vibration pattern, click on Ringtone and Vibration again, select Vibration section and tap on the best one for you, like Short. You can also disable vibrations completely by choosing No Vibration, or synchronize them with Ringtone by tapping on this option above. Now go back. And last but not least, access snooze. Finally, you can enable or disable it thanks to this switcher, and then select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. To save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, just click on it, make your changes and click on the check mark again. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this blue switcher next to it. Then tap on the best option for you. In my case, do not repeat anymore. In order to enable your alarm though, click on the same, now gray switcher. You can also get rid of it completely by holding it, selecting Delete at the bottom, and waiting. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!